It's official. The Tesla Model Y has been dethroned. As of February 2026, this is the best-selling passenger car in the world's largest EV market. This is the 2026 Xiaomi YU7. After the massive success of the SU7 sedan, Xiaomi's first SUV has arrived to finish the job. It's longer, wider, and smarter than a Tesla. With a design that looks like a Ferrari, Purosangue had a baby with a smartphone. Is this the ultimate dream car for the masses? Or is it just too much tech for one SUV? Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Let's dive into the Xiaomi revolution. Performance isn't just a number for Xiaomi, it's a religion. While the base YU7 is a punchy RWD commuter. The news of the week is the YU7 GT. This monster packs a dual-motor setup with a staggering 990 horsepower, making it one of the fastest production SUVs ever built, with a top speed of 186 miles per hour. But the real magic is the battery tech. The 2026 models feature an upgraded 925-volt silicon carbide platform in the Max trim. That means you can plug in for a 15-minute coffee break and walk back to 416 miles of fresh range. It's not just fast on the road. It's the fastest SUV at the charging station, period. Inside, the YU7 feels like a luxury lounge designed by Silicon Valley. There's no traditional cluster. Instead, you get a massive panoramic HUD and a 16.1-inch central touchscreen running Xiaomi's HyperOS. The genius is in the details. See these magnetic wireless buttons? You can snap them anywhere in the cabin to control over 130 different functions, from the sunshade to the AC, and for the audio feels. The Max trim comes with a 25-speaker, 7.1, for a surround sound system that rivals million-dollar luxury cars. With nearly 1,800 liters of total storage, it's a tech-heavy sanctuary that actually fits a family of 5. Standard across the 2026 lineup is a roof-mounted LiDAR unit and the new NVIDIA Drive Thor chip, delivering 700 TOPS of processing power. This allows the YU7 to handle door-to-door autonomous driving with Xiaomi's head system. But even with all this tech, Xiaomi has kept the price aggressive. Starting at roughly $35,000, it undercuts the Model Y, while offering nearly double the luxury. With over 150,000 units sold in 2025 alone, Xiaomi is no longer a new player. They are now the Suhu, or the masters of the EV game. The 2026 Xiaomi YU7 is proof that when a tech giant builds a car, the old rules don't apply. It's faster, smarter, and cheaper than the competition. So, would you trade your Tesla for a Xiaomi? Or are you still skeptical of a car made by a phone company? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. I'm with DRX AUTO MOBI, and I'll see you in the next one.